What's up guys, welcome to the Husqvarna Garage. We're excited to announce a new technical accessory available for our Husqvarna TC125s. Introducing the all-new Factory Performance Kit, which has been specifically designed and developed for riders wanting that little bit more performance out of their Husqvarna TC125s. With the Factory Performance Kit, you'll gain an additional 2.5 horsepower and a substantial weight-saving advantage. While on track, you'll feel better power and performance, all thanks to our new mapping. The kit is available for models from year 2023 to current. And today, I'd like to introduce to you our very own Husqvarna technician, Hendrik, who will show us exactly how to fit the Factory Performance Kit. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment if there's something specific you want to know about. And also don't forget to check out our new casual wear, and we'll see you out there.